Hey, welcome back to the Ask Murph Show, and today we're talking about why you should use the bank's money instead of your money when you're purchasing a home that needs remodeling. So what is this situation? Well, let's say you're out there looking for houses and you find this house that's a great value. Now you're totally open to remodeling a home because you understand that in this location, there's a lot of potential to increase your equity if you were to find a home that you put some money into, let's say flooring, carpet, or flooring, appliances, light fixtures, painting, maybe even, took down a wall and opened up the floor plan a little bit. So you're open to this idea. But the thing is like yesterday, for instance, I was with a client and we were walking through this house and they're totally open to the idea of buying a home and putting some money into it to remodel. So we found this really cool house and it had lots of potential. And the wife said to her husband, she said, "Honey, I think we could totally do this project because based on what Tim's saying, there might be $100,000 worth of work here and we have that cash to do the work." And I said, whoa, what? What are you talking about? You have the cash. She goes, well, if we bought the house, then we could put our $100,000 into actually remodeling. I said, but why wouldn't you use the bank's money? Well, what do you mean? I said, well, you can get a construction loan. So you would purchase the home and get a construction loan, and then you would have an allotted period of time after you close on the house to have a contractor, a licensed, bonded, insured contractor to come over, do all the work for you, and then you just have it all rolled into your mortgage. So it's all in your mortgage. And the best part about it, today in 2019, the rates are like 3.5%, 3.25%. I mean, it's basically free money. So why wouldn't you do that? Just roll it all into your mortgage. Plus, the other thing that's amazing about that is that you're gonna be able to get the work done up front so you can enjoy the house and the remodel and everything that you did. Now, if you're not thinking that way, then reach out, because that's what I'm here for, is to answer your questions and help you make better home buying decisions. All right, take care.